First and second. Rounder to short. Cross to second. Catching error. Throw to home. Safe on home. Marcelino with a fly to center. Salinas with a drive to center. Tembong Castillo. Santos with a drive to right. Runner going third. Castillo with a fly to left. Easy catch. Perez with a ground to second. Yusot sa second baseman. Zurakai with the ground to first, throwing error. Perez going home. Safe on home. Gio running long. Save them. Escalso. Fly to right center. Soshi hit between the shortstop and the third baseman. Torio drive to right center, hit. Bispo fly to center, hit. So she's going home. Safe on home. Safe on third. Tulak, hit na naman. Maria is single for Liwag. Area, fly to left field, sa gitna. Pareha, rounding second. There's some balls. Grounder to third. Routine grounder for third baseman, throw to fourth. Foul out. Santos with a fly to right, lampas sa right fielder. Pinupulot pa ang bola. Michael Santos now going home. 3-1 home run. Rowing with a ground to third. Routine ground ball. Asalan with a fly to center fielder. Ayong drive. Right center. Single. Vargas. The hard hit to third. Single. Grounder to third. Lansan. Single din. Payong going home. Vargas. Inahabol. Perez with a drive to the outfield. Lanza running home. Safe on home. Gio fly to center field. Caught. Escalso with a drive to right center. Drops. Soshi with a fly to the foul territory. Out. Amarillo with a ground to center field. Marcelino. Hit. Santos high fly to right center. Umatras yun. Yusot. Nice cover by the right fielder. 1 run score for RP Carlos. Rounder to third. Fumbles. Nalaglag sa first. Wow! Scooped by the second baseman. Double play. Caspillo, grounder to short. Payong-ayong to first. Right to left center. On deck. Galedo on deck. Caught by the catcher. Pareha, fly to left. Caught by the shortstop. Fly to right. Fair ball. Again, and third. Payong-ayong, hard hit to left. Lanza on deck. Lampas doon sa left center fielder. Vargas nag-jogging na lang, going home. Home run for Vargas. Grounder to short. Out on first. 3 outs. Base and balls. On out. Out on first. Safe at third. Grounder to second. Go to first. Out. 3 outs.
Arago po. Eh, ano ba ako pumalit? Jonard?
Base and balls. Johnny with a single. Perez going third. Villa with a hard hit. Left center. Perez scores. Soshi.
Paano ba yun?
Fly to left. Soshi tags up. Score. Fly to right. Easy fly. Arago now batting. Wow. Simple. With runners on first and second. Drive to left. Center. Lampas na naman sa ibaba ng ulo.
Yan na sa likod ko! 6 runs na po!
Home run for Kaasala. Hey, Marcelino. Umero on deck. Amarillo. Umero. To left. Lampas kay Kansa. Umero. Going home. Out. At home. Hiyaks!
Then, si Tatoy muna!
Sabihin mo, mandatory.
Metono!
Sino next?
Yan! Catching error by the second baseman. Lansa, tulak, papunta doon sa second base, lampas. Dogol, going third. Safe on third. Perez now at bat, Rakal on deck. Jadi Grande, foul out. Alpi Carlo, salamat po. Villa with a long fly to center. Out. Soshi with a drive to center. Pogoy with a fly sa likod ng shortstop. Hindi nakuha. Soshi going third. Safe at third. La Rosa grounded, too short, tumas. Galeno, drive to right center. Hit! Nagkabanggaan po! Nahilo. Wapo ng bola mo na. Arago. Drive to right field. Single, naman. Dumalagan. Single to left. Mekono fly to left. Three outs. Last bat for RP Carlos. Salinas. Lampas sa left fielder. Salinas rounding third. Home run. Ugas Santos. Fly out. Aspilio with a fly to right center. Sumabit pa sa glove. Fly to left. Ines. Safe on second. Flores. Hit to right. Ines safe at home. Hiyats! Line up!